was the first full pass.
Really?
On the turbo straight axle swap, so really good data, really solid data.
Yeah?
So
you happy with it?
Yeah, it's gonna go faster next pass for sure. But I mean, that's still turned down. I mean, maybe 13 pounds of boost.
Like down the track it was?
No, down the track. That was only 4 pounds of boost on the lead.
Just 13?
Yeah, just 13 pounds. That's 4 pounds on the lead for about a second and a half, and then it ramped to 13.
How much boost do you think it'll take?
I'll run out of injector at about 26 pounds of boost. So, got some more to go.
Nice. So what motor's in it right now?
It's a stock block deal from Texas Speed. So it's got a cam motion, solid roller cam, top with some per hour shaft mount rockers, Texas Speed intake, and a 91mm turbo on methanol. Yeah.
I knew it was big. I didn't know it was 91.
Yeah, a single 91.
What do you tune the thing on?
Do what?
What are you tuning it on?
It's all Holly HP.
Makes sense.
You know, keep it light. You know, a little small computer.
Yeah.
So.
Do you have any times to speak of?
Can't really, but it's fast.
You don't want anybody to know in this class?
It's the fastest car in our fleet by a good bit.
It's what?
It's the fastest car in our fleet by a good bit.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah. And what year is the body?
It's a 1990 Nissan 240 Coupe.
Mint.
Yeah. I've had it for 10 years.
Really?
Yeah, bought when I was 18.
I figured it had some history if you're still hanging on to it.
Went from a 400 horsepower SR car to about an 800 horsepower SR car in like 3 years, and then I was like, let me LS swap it.
Ooh,
and it went like stock LS1 to rock piston LS1 to 5.3 to a 6.0 to this. So
I love
it's just always evolved.
Yep. Well, what else do we know about the car? Anything?
Actually, out here testing the IDS. They got their solid axle swap kits for the S14s, and I'm actually out here testing their S13 kits. So,
okay.
Yeah, trying to get it ironed out and see if they got to do anything. And so far, from what it's done, and that's my fourth attempt going down the track, my first full pass, and what that rear end has done is it leaps and bounds over the IRS.
Really?
I mean, it's crazy.
All right, we'll be seeing you tomorrow.
All right,
good luck, James.
Thanks, man.
James?
Oh, I got this really fast Mustang up here. They call Vice, Florida Campus.
Isn't that Victor's car?
Yeah, it's one of Victor's, yeah.
Nice. You got this?
I got a scramble button. Ready to use.
You're ready. Hell yeah. Like to hear that.
So,
good luck, buddy.
Thanks, man.
You're better than that, James. I don't know if you're faster than that, but you're better than that. Come on now.
James.
So just made a personal best time slip in the heat of the day.
Did you? No kidding.
Which is pretty solid, being the 6th pass on the car, being the new rear end and the new motor, new turbo stuff. So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Lost the round, but won $50 as I treat them. We bet on the tree. So, yeah.
Hey, everyone wins.
Just those two things, it's a win and a win for me. You know, I'll take the L proud.
Yeah.
I have a pretty stout hot rod now that's only going to get faster.
It seems very consistent.
Still haven't turned it up past 20 pounds of boost, and it's already fast. So
damn, turbo life.
Time for some big boy injectors, some build atomizer 500s maybe, and then turn it up and try to double the boost.
Hell yeah.
So
can't wait to see where you go from here.
Fast.
Yeah.